Dear students, I welcome you all in the class of English optional BA second year. Today, I am going to make you familiar with the syllabus of the paper number 5. The title of the paper is Indian Writing in English. In this semester, we are going to study two papers for English optional, paper number 5 and 6. Paper number 5 is Indian Writing in English and paper number 6 is American Literature. Today I am going to discuss the syllabus which is prescribed for this paper. There are 5 units in this paper. The first unit is entitled as Introduction, Brief History of Indian Writing in English. In this unit, we will study the origin and development of Indian writing in English. Indian writing in English means literary creation of Indians in English language. Indian creative artists such as novelists, playwrights, essayists, short story writers who tried their hands in all genres of literature in English, that is Indian writing in English. So in the first unit we will study origin and development of Indian writing in English. The second unit is entitled as Poetry. In this unit there are 2 poems. The first poem is written by Nissim Ezekiel and title of the poem is Very Indian Poem in Indian English. Very Indian Poem in Indian English, and this poem is written by Nissim Ezekiel. We have another poem in this unit, that is Prayer to Lord Murugan. Prayer to Lord Murugan. This poem is written by A.K. Ramanujan. The third unit is entitled as Fiction. In this unit, we will be studying 2 short stories. The first short story is The Kabuliwala. This short story is written by Rabindranath Tagore. And the second story is Hush. This short story is written by Manohar Malgaonkar. So in this unit we will study 2 short stories. The first one is The Kabuliwala written by Rabindranath Tagore, and second one is Hush. This story is written by Manohar Malgaonkar. The fourth unit is Prose. In this unit, we are going to study Mother Teresa, Apostle of the Unwanted. This prose is written by Khushwant Singh. And the fifth unit and the last unit of this paper is entitled as Drama, and in this unit the Board of Study in English has prescribed a drama entitled Tughlaq, written by Gyanpith awardee Girish Karnad. So friends, this is how in this paper entitled Indian Writing in English, we will study 5 units. Unit number 1 will deal with history of Indian writing in English. Unit number 2 is poetry. The first poem is written by Nissim Ezekiel, and the title of the poem is Very Indian Poem in Indian English. The second poem is Prayer to Lord Murugam. This poem is written by A.K. Ramanujan. And the third unit is entitled as Fiction. In this unit, we will study 2 short stories. The first short story is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and the title of the story is The Kabuliwala. Another short story is there, and the title of the story is Hush, and this story is written by Manohar Malgaonkar. Fourth unit is entitled as Prose. In this unit, we shall study Mother Teresa, Apostle of the Unwanted, and this prose is written by Khushwant Singh. And the last unit of this paper is entitled as Drama, and in this unit, we will be studying Tughlaq, written by Girish Karnad. So friends, this is the syllabus for semester 3rd in the paper number 5 entitled Indian Writing in English. In the following class, we shall deal with a brief introduction of Indian writing in English. Then we shall proceed ahead with the discussion of all elements or all prose, poetry, fiction and drama one by one. So I have made an attempt to make you familiar with the syllabus which has been prescribed for the semester 3rd under the paper number 5, that is Indian Writing in English. So with this, I would like to remain here. Rest of the things we shall continue in the following class tomorrow. Thank you very much.